Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and we've got another one of our favorite cars here at Vanguard, a 70 Chevelle. She's a real SS. We've got the build sheet to prove it. Okay, that tells me there's a big block under the hood. She's got bucket seats, and you're gonna love checking this one out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We'll take a look at that big block. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. Now come on up and we'll fire this big block up. Check this Chevelle out, man. She is beautiful. We got great looking chrome on the bumper. The headlight surrounds are nice. The grill's in beautiful shape. The paintwork on the car is beautiful. The body man on this did his job. It is straight as an arrow. Now that line, nearly perfectly straight and nearly perfectly flush with that front fender also. The wheel and tire combo on it looks real hot, just like from the factory. The doors lining up almost perfect there with the front fender, and the line is nice and straight also. All the stainless is in good shape. The vinyl top looks beautiful, and look how easy that door opens. Those door lips are gorgeous. The rubber looks like it was replaced. We'll take a nice close look at the interior here in a minute. Like I said, we've got a build sheet on the car. She's got the period correct motor in her, but she is not numbers matching. But she was born an SS. Look inside the trunk here. We got beautiful spare tire in there, jack, lug wrench. The floor in the trunk looks beautiful. Those wheel wells look great. Inside of the quarters are nice. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. We got stickers here with the spare tire instruction and the caution sticker. All the lips here look beautiful. I see part numbers right here in the quarters. All the rubber's in good shape. When you look down the side of the car, she's straight as can be. Now I've got one little star here in the paint. That's the only imperfection in all the paint I've seen. This door, that line is nice and straight, nice and flush just like it should be. Operates nice and easy. These lips are beautiful. The rubber looks good. Look how nice that shuts. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not a consignment dealer. We spend the time to check the car out before we buy it. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any question you may have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. And make sure you follow us on Facebook and join us on YouTube so you can see all of our videos. Let's take a look at the interior. Look at that door panel. It looks brand spanking new. All the trim looks great. The handles look good. The armrest looks good. Carpeting looks brand new. And there's that Hurst shifter everybody's looking for. We've got the bench seat in here, which the 4-speed with the bench seat is just so cool. We got seat belts in the front and in the rear. Package tray's in good shape. Trim around the back window looks good. Headliner's nice and tight. Heck, even the dome light's working. Sun visors look good. The dash itself is nice and bright. The gauges are nice and clear. The gauge faces look good. Looks like it's got the stock radio in it. Dash pad's beautiful. This is one hot car, guys. All right, let's take the 70 Chevelle for a ride. 4-speed, baby. The cowl hood's working too, look at that. I tell you, I still remember when I was a kid, I pulled up alongside one time. And I saw that Cowl, and I'm like, I ain't messing with him. It's a big block Chevy in that thing. I just had a little old small block in my car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just call us at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now look down here on the dash. The speedo's working. It looks like the fuel gauge is working. We got a blank gauge here. The blower's working on the heater. We got extra gauges down here. Windshield wipers are working. Horn's working. Now it's got the stock AM radio, which is not working. You could always upgrade that to an AM FM radio. There goes the Cowl hood. What a sweep, I tell ya. It's got like the stock exhaust, so you can hear the power of the motor, but it's not so loud you're gonna get thrown in jail. And don't forget, we have financing also. If you need help with financing, a 15-minute phone call with one of our bankers, we can get this dream parked in your drive. We're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you want to come in and check out the car or take a look at one of the other 200 cars we have in stock, and don't forget, we're bringing in about 40 a month, so we've always got something new coming in. Here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. Now stick around because we're going to put it up on the lift and check out the bottom side. Then we'll get under the hood and take a look at it. And you know what? I'm going to tell you when it's under the hood that it looks like it's got a real Delco battery in it. I figured out after I did that, that's actually a really, really good cover. So it's got a brand new maintenance-free battery in it. We're underneath this 70 Chevelle now, and she is super clean under here too. We got a 12-bolt rear end, right around a 331 gear. It is posi, and it is the correct rear end for this car. All the numbers match up. Exhaust is brand new. Drop downs look good. The lips here on the inner wheelhouse where it goes to the quarter look good. The frame is nice and beautiful. I always check out the low spots in the frame here. Backside of the rocker is beautiful. The pinch weld's gorgeous. The floorboards look like they're original to the car. They're beautiful. Frame is nice and solid. We've got a Muncie trans here. This is not the original trans that came in the car, but the car did come with a 4-speed from the factory. This is a 64 and 65 model is what the casting number tells us. Up front here, we've got disc brakes. They're in good working order. In the back, we've got the drum brakes. The guys pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. Sway bar bushings look good. Front frame horns are nice and straight. I always check the core support too. That's another one of the first things to go in these cars. Now the front bumper here, the chrome looks new. This is a really sharp car underneath. Nice, solid, beautiful car. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we've got the painted rims with the trim rings and the center caps. We got the bias ply tires. Let's see, 70-14s on the tires. Wheel lip moldings look good. Bottom side of the quarter looks good right down to the bottom edge. And look at that pinch weld. That looks just like it's brand spanking new right from the factory. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, same good looking polyglass tires. Same good looking paint job on the rims. Center caps look new. Trim rings look great. Wheel lip molding looks good there. Like I said, I always check this right here. All I feel there is that steel inner wheelhouse where spot welds to the quarter. And look at the bottom side of this rocker. I tell you, it is beautiful. Very nice car. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here is exactly what you'd expect to see, a 396. Now this is a 71 model motor, or it was cast in 71. It is a correct motor to be in front of a 4-speed. It's got the quadra-jet carb on it. It's got the correct air cleaner. It's got the exhaust manifolds, good looking alternator. It's got power steering, power brakes. It's got the Cowl hood set up on it. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. Firewall's real nice and clean. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. It's got a Delco battery in it, and that's not a fake one. That's the real box here. A lot of times those guys just have the cap that goes over it. Looks like it's got the correct battery cables. It's got all the correct clamps on the hoses. Fan clutch on the fan. The shroud looks good. The crossflow radiator looks great. I mean, just a beautiful car. Heck, it's even got the squirter bottle, guys. This car is ready to go. 1970 Chevelle. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.